Let me show you all methods that allow you to take a screenshot on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. So the first method that allows you to capture a screenshot is by pressing the power button and volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, you will capture a screenshot like this. Besides that, you can also go to the control center over here, and you should be able to find the screenshot option in this place as well. So you can tap on this button in order to hide the control center and capture the full screenshot. Another way to capture a screenshot is by first opening an app. So let's say I'm going to open this one, and let's go to the background apps, and below the app preview you have this icon with scissors. So you can tap over here in order to capture the full screenshot. So this is the third method. Another method is to use a gesture. In fact, we have two gestures that we can use, but first I'm gonna go to the settings because we need to make sure that it is actually set up. So let's open gestures and then here choose 3-finger screenshot. And as you can see, we can make sure that this is enabled. We can press and hold our 3 fingers on the screen like this in order to capture the screenshot. And the second gesture is in quick launch. This is the back tap gesture, and of course first make sure that it is enabled, and secondly go to the settings over here in the bottom left corner and then make sure that take screenshot is selected. By doing so, if you double tap the back of the phone somewhere over here, this upper side, you should be able to capture a screenshot. Let's see if it works. There we go. So this is how I can tap in order to capture the screenshot. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I guess I'm not really used to it yet. There we go. So this side over here seems to be working just fine. Let's give it another try. Yeah, so still not used, but yeah, there we go, it works. Maybe it is just lagging a little bit. However, this is how we can capture a screenshot. Now, another way to capture a screenshot is of course by cropping it as well. So if you want to capture a selective screenshot, then first of all we need to capture the full screenshot by using any of the methods that you know. And then if you press this pen over here, we can crop the screenshot so that only the selected area will be captured. So this is how we can capture a partial or selective screenshot. Unfortunately, this is the only way to do so. Press this check over here at the top in order to save it. And there's also the long or scrolling screenshot. In this case, we need to open any app or a website where we can scroll. So let's say I'm gonna open the Google News app. And then over here, once again, we're gonna capture a screenshot. And then at the bottom of the preview, we have this button that we can press in order to start scrolling. The phone will scroll by itself, but you can also scroll manually and select the area that will be captured. So let's say I'm gonna capture to this point over here, and now we can press this red button. And now this whole area that I just scrolled through will be captured in a screenshot. Let's open it. We should have the preview. Okay, for some reason I didn't get it, but essentially we can go to the Photos app, for example. Let's open screenshots, and there we go. We can zoom in and we can keep scrolling. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!